Next, we get Tucker's flu shot, check out a ghost town, and do some dirt biking in the desert before crossing into Mexico.
We're in New Mexico. We need to get Tucker, before we cross into Mexico, his second flu shot. It's a series of 2 shots, and Jenny called all over trying to find a flu shot. Tucson, all the big cities, struck out, and kind of out of a whim decided to call this small town called Deming. Not only do they have a health center, but they have a big parking lot where we can park our big old RV, and there's cheap diesel straight across the street. So this is awesome.
Big baby boy. How much did you weigh? Oh, 14.
No.
18 ounces.
We just had Tucker's second flu shot, and he's a champ. Look at that.
This is cool. What a neat place. Good morning from Arizona. We found a pretty cool spot last night. You can see all the mountains all around us, as far as you can see. We had no neighbors for miles and miles. The interstate's right over here. You can see a truck right there. So we're about, I don't know, half mile off the interstate. So I'm gonna take the dirt bike over to there. Check it out. Whew. Made it to the top of the hill. Whew. It's not a single flat spot up here, just solid rocks. But sure is a beautiful view. Look at that. For miles. Miles and miles.
It was time to get moving. If only we'd have known what was in store at our next spot.
We found a killer boondocking spot, but we also found some soft sand. But now the truck, the rear wheels are buried. We got to get the truck unstuck.